Job spec. To reline existing twin wall chimneys to stop condensate from condensing boilers leaking from chimneys located inside service risers in the building. The chimneys had CCTV surveys carried out, which pinpointed several leaking joints within the chimney. We suggested that the chimneys should be lined with FuranFlex black lining system. This would maintain, as near as possible, the cross-sectional area of the chimney, provide a gas and watertight lining, and only require access at each end of the chimneys. Each chimney can be lined in one day, leaving the other heating boilers working, therefore causing minimal disruption to the occupants of the building. The manufacturer, compositor, design and manufacture all the liners and installation equipment. All installation engineers are factory trained and certified by compositor. The curing equipment is set up near the base of the flue, chimney, duct or pipe being lined. The adapter is fitted to the end of the liner. The liner is either drawn up the chimney, duct or pipe or dropped down from the top. The adapter is fitted to the end of the liner and connected to the steam generator and condensate drain. The liner adapter is connected to the fast blower. The liner is inflated with the fast blower, an air compressor delivering high volume air at low pressure to open the liner. The steam is then injected into the liner. The FuranFlex resin, when heated by the steam, changes to liquid, which then flows through all of the layers. The valve at the other end is opened slightly and the curing process begins. The curing process can take between 2 and 4 hours. Once the resin reaches 100 degrees centigrade, the resin sets harder than steel. The liner can be freestanding or mould to the shape of the chimney, pipe or duct it's being installed into. The liner cures from the base upwards. Once the top has cured, the lining process is complete. The liner can be easily trimmed at both ends. The inner foil is removed. Finally, the liner edge is trimmed. And the duct pipe cap sealed.